Hey there, Trent here again. Congrats on grabbing one of the few spots. So here's what's next. In about 10 minutes, my system will email you a calendar invite for the workshop. Add it to your calendar, and then you'll get another email with links to download all the worksheets, tools, templates, and other goodies. So you probably signed up because you want to grow and scale your business like our clients do. Whether you're looking to create a scalable online program for your advice or expertise, or attract hundreds or thousands of new leads into your existing systems, or boost your monthly income by 20K, 50K, even 80K. Our systems are designed to help you achieve just that. So if that sounds like you, this workshop will be super useful. But if you want to speed things up, I invite you to book a one-on-one session with me or my team. It's just a quick 10-15 minute call to brainstorm and see how we can help you grow, just like we've done for our other clients. On the call, we'll look at your business through our Attract, Connect, Lead systems, and we'll brainstorm a plan to grow your business. First, we'll dive into your niche, your programs, and your pricing to see what's possible for you over the next 90 days and the next year. Next, we'll look at how you're currently marketing, selling, and delivering your services. We'll pinpoint the one thing that's holding you back from the growth that you want. Finally, we'll create a simple 3-step action plan, whether it's designing your scalable online program or growing your audience or adding new clients and scaling your monthly revenues. You'll leave feeling clear, focused, and excited about taking your business to the next level. So take a moment now and fill in the short form on this page. It'll take about 90 seconds. And then find a time that suits you for a quick chat to brainstorm your growth plan. Now, why do we offer this plan for free? Well, it's simple. Some people will find the plan amazing and ask us to help them implement it. That's what we do best, and it's how we make our greatest impact and our money. Now, if that's you, awesome. We'd love to chat. And if not, no worries. You'll still have a great plan to implement on your own. The only way to get the plan is to fill in the form on this page. It takes just a minute and a half, then find a time for us to chat and brainstorm your growth plan. So find a time, book yourself in, and we'll see you soon to create your custom scale plan. Lots of love and see you on the next page.